This could be the biggest announcement in history. On November 24, 2025, President Donald Trump signed the Genesis Mission Executive Order, hailed by supporters as a landmark historical announcement poised to usher in an American golden age of scientific discovery. The mission's promise is vast. By leveraging the combined power of federal supercomputers, national laboratory data, and cutting-edge AI, the Department of Energy aims to solve grand challenges in energy, medicine, and national security, potentially doubling U.S. scientific productivity within 10 years. It frames this initiative as essential for global competitiveness against nations like China. However, this same initiative presents a profound threat to civil liberties. By consolidating immense amounts of sensitive federal and private sector data into a single, integrated AI platform for national security missions, the mission creates a centralized target susceptible to misuse. Critics argue that once this much power and personal information are handed over to government-directed algorithms, the potential for mass surveillance, data exploitation, and the erosion of foundational human rights and privacy becomes an existential risk. The Genesis mission forces a crucial choice: accept unprecedented technological progress at the potential cost of personal autonomy.
In every age, humanity invents new ways to see further. The telescope let us glimpse the stars. The microscope revealed the worlds within us. For centuries, thinkers like Linets, Shannon, and Turing dreamed of making all knowledge computable. But today, knowledge grows faster than our ability to understand it. Trillions of data points, a universe of information still unconnected. Now, a new instrument emerges, one capable not only of observing the universe, but of understanding it. Genesis Mission will transform how science is done in America, uniting our brightest minds, most powerful computers, and vast scientific data into one living system for discovery. Built on artificial intelligence and quantum computing, it will radically redefine the scale, speed, and purpose of scientific progress in America. This is the work that will define our generation's legacy. A new revolution begins, one guided not by competition alone, but by curiosity, imagination, and the belief that discovery is the truest form of progress.
Follow the link in the description to view the official White House announcement. Please like, share, and subscribe.